Hey everybody, thanks for joining me again. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber, well, welcome back. Thanks for sticking around. So with this one is basically it's a similar pour that I've already done in a previous video. However, somebody else wanted one basically like that one, except for I went ahead and did a artistic type thing, and I decided to add a couple of different reds that I didn't use in the other one, just for the sheer fact that one was Marine Corps colors. So I try to match that with those, and this one is totally different in terms of the red color. So with the reds that I'm using, the first red I used, the brighter red, is an Amsterdam color, which I'll have to link that in the description or put it in there, followed by TLP Grenache. And this one is the red. It's like I seem like I can't get rid of it. I have so much of it, but I don't really remember it. Honestly, I think it is Amsterdam, or not Amsterdam, but Artist Loft. I don't know, not a deep red, but yeah, I don't even know. And then I'm also using TLP Harvest Gold. So both the TLP colors, really love them. They turn out wonderful, especially the Grenache. So as you can tell with the red in this one, it is, it's brighter. I don't know, more like a true red, I guess. Not like the one I would say it's a dull type red. But anyway, so essentially all this is I'm just going to keep layering it and layering it the same type of order. So it goes with the Amsterdam, then Grenache. Actually, I don't even remember now, but yeah, it's basically the same order. I tell you what, it's too late in the night to be doing this, but nevertheless, we're gonna finish this one, and yeah, honestly, I like the way this one turned out. Funny enough, at the end of the video, I will show you what the finished product looks like in 3 different lightings, because honestly, for me, I can sit there and record it with the epoxy resin, and I can just see the colors changing on my phone, and it's very irritating because it's so hard to illustrate exactly how these look. If you probably know what I mean. They look so much better in person versus through a video, and that's the downside to this. But um, again, I'm basically trying to use all my TLP color for the Grenache, and I won't finish with the Harvest Gold because you know what? Too much gold in a painting can really mess with it. So here we are. My seal activator is Amsterdam Oxide Black. Um, so really don't know how to measure how much cell activator to put down. So like I told you in some of the other videos, with this type of pour, bigger pours, for me, I pour the cell activator and then I go down and I blow on it to get a bigger puddle of it, and then I use the blow dryer. So here we are. I obviously got a sorry blowout with the blow dryer, so determined I am going to start swiping this, and hopefully it doesn't bite me. I know sometimes with me swiping, I like leave some room or something here and there, and it kind of looks, I don't know, forced, I guess is the word. So I'm going to try to do a better job at that with this one, and yeah, I'm very indecisive, or I really don't know what. I always have a hard, I don't know. I get down there to swipe, and it's just kind of like, oh, what I want to do, I don't know. Can't make up my mind. So I started with my, I don't know what you want to call it, the blue tool, which is a harder plastic versus this flimsy piece of plastic that I use. I try to use the flimsy one to go into the nooks and crannies that I can't really, use the harder tools. But here we are. I'm gonna try to spin it out. Let's see what I get. Um, you know, I blew out with the blow dryer too hard on some of those areas, but I decided to leave it because I mean it's a good mix with the black, and you know I don't know, it's like a soft touch to it, so I'm good with it. I like it. Um, the other, like right now at the top, that little black area, it's a little nerve wracking. I've seen some people where they can just put down some cell activator and blow it out and keep rolling. That is not in my wheelhouse yet. So, not even, should have just wiped that area. But it is what it is. There are some cells in there with the TLP Grenache, so it works for the most part, as you can kind of see right now. But you really can't see it in person. Right now, this is kind of, I don't know, in a way I can see like maybe a dragonfly, butterfly type deal with certain viewpoints right now. So here is a close-up of it. So you can see that one spot that was black, you can see like the Grenache and the gold in that little spot. And I mean, personally, I love the top part right here. This is my favorite part. So I'm going to transition to what it looks like in 3 different colors. So it'd be outside, regular lights in the house, and then the fluorescent, whatever you want to call it, lights. So here we are, right past this. I'll get to outside. But yeah, it turned out great. Love it. I kind of want one for myself now. But this is a 12 by 12 canvas. This is outside in the house. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. And there you go. The Grenache and the gold. Looks great. Take care, everybody.